Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be exploring the amazing capabilities of ChatGPT Plus, the intelligent AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of advanced language technology and discover how ChatGPT Plus can revolutionize the way we communicate. In the world of AI and technology, the need for intelligent and conversational systems has never been greater. And that's where ChatGPT Plus comes in. OpenAI is launching a pilot subscription plan for ChatGPT, a conversational AI that can chat with you, answer follow-up questions, and challenge incorrect assumptions. The new subscription plan, ChatGPT Plus, will be available for $20 per month, and subscribers will receive a number of benefits. 1. General access to ChatGPT, even during peak times. 2. Faster response times. 3. Priority access to new features and improvements. ChatGPT Plus is available to customers in the United States, and OpenAI will begin the process of inviting people from our waitlist over the coming weeks. OpenAI plan to expand access and support to additional countries and regions soon. OpenAI love their free users and will continue to offer free access to ChatGPT. By offering this subscription pricing, they will be able to help support free access availability to as many people as possible. Now let's get to know more about ChatGPT Plus and its features. ChatGPT Plus is a language model developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like responses to any text input. With the power of machine learning and deep neural networks, ChatGPT Plus has been trained on a massive corpus of text data, making it capable of understanding and generating text on a wide range of topics. ChatGPT Plus can be used in a variety of applications, from customer service and support, to content creation and even personal assistance. Its ability to understand and respond to complex questions and requests makes it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals alike. One of the key features of ChatGPT Plus is its ability to generate coherent and meaningful responses to open-ended questions. This sets it apart from traditional rule-based chatbots, which often provide generic or limited responses. With ChatGPT Plus, you can expect a more personalized and engaging experience. ChatGPT Plus is also highly customizable and can be easily integrated into a variety of platforms and applications. Whether you're building a chatbot for your website or incorporating it into a larger AI system, ChatGPT Plus provides a flexible and scalable solution for all your language-related needs. That's a wrap on our journey through the fascinating world of ChatGPT Plus. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the power and potential of this incredible technology. Whether you're looking to enhance customer support, create engaging content, or build your own personal AI assistant, ChatGPT Plus is a solution worth exploring. So why wait? Start your own ChatGPT Plus journey today. OpenAI and ChatGPT Plus, intelligent conversations, anywhere, anytime. Thanks for watching.